I wanna talk with you, but I'm not good at English, so
What do you do now?
I'm reading books and taking a walk, cooking for my meal every days, and I listen to your mental stamina for my mental healthy.
How long have you been on HelloTalk?
Over 3 years.
And is this your first time on the stage?
Yeah, live is.
Congratulations.
네, 고맙습니다. Thank you.
Tell us, what do you like to do in your free time? Tell us about your hobbies.
One of my hobby is reading books. I have this week Game of Thrones. My English is not good, though I'm trying to read this book because I watched the TV show. I was really enjoy that series. 네.
You like to read.
Yes.
Do you like to do other things other than reading?
I like to listen to music and I like to hike mountains, riding bike and drawing. I have a lot of things to do.
Why do you like to draw?
When I draw my journal, it makes feel better and it makes to relieve my feeling and clear. Yeah.
I understand. It relieves your stress, it helps you express your emotions, and you feel better after that, right?
Yes.
Nice. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?